Okay, let's get started. So let's go to the RadBeacon phone app and click on that. In order to take and find the device, we're going to hit scan, but before we do that, you have to take and put the device in your hand, take and click on it one time until you see the green light, then click and hold it until you see the green light blink at you a couple times. So let's go and find the device first. And then I'm going to click on it like this, and you'll see the device actually blinking at you. The two things are talking right now, so that's a good sign. If you don't see it talking, that's an issue. And now you'll come to this information here. So let's go from there. So now what we're going to do is take and change the name of this and name it. There's no right or wrong answer on this. I would probably maybe number these, so device 1. And also, if you know where it's going to be at, you might want to take and put that in there. So let's say that we would do this one, device 1 at Huntington Apartments, let's say. And this way you can kind of track these. It'll make it a little bit easier. And then what you're going to want to do here is you're going to, let me pull this up for the recording. We're going to take and change the functionality of the iBeacon and the Eddystone UID. Now, this is a device that I've already programmed. When you pull yours up and it's brand new, you'll see that the iBeacon is on and the Eddystone is off. So what we'll want to do is switch your iBeacon to off and your Eddystone to on. We're going to scroll down. Let me scroll. Oops, I changed something there. See, I turned that off accidentally. And let's scroll down to our namespace. So now that we've scrolled down, when you get this device, again, it will be blank in there. You're going to want to generate a namespace. So the way that we're going to do this, we're going to hit generate from URI. It's going to ask you to put a website in there. So you can put your real estate website in there, landing page, whatever that is, and then you would hit generate. For this example, I'm just going to hit cancel because I've already done this on this device. But you would simply hit generate and it will create a number for you, but I'm going to hit cancel. All right, now that you've got your namespace with the proper number, we're going to go in and change our instance ID. Generally, I recommend keeping those where you name them. Keep them in the sequential order of what you named the device. Remember, I named this device 1 Huntington Apartments. So in this case, I would make my instance ID. If I was doing my second device, I would probably make that device 2 and then make the instance ID number 2. The calibrated power we've already set for you at -35, advertising rate at 5, and transmit power at -3. Don't change those. We've pre-programmed these to make sure that that's done properly. So then all you do is come up and hit apply. And what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to apply your settings. Now again, this is a device that's already been programmed, but for every device, you simply put in 8 zeros, right? So 8 zeros and then hit apply. Once you do that, you'll see it thinking for a minute, right? You'll see it spin, and then you'll get a success message. And that's all there is to it for this step. So remember, just hit apply, 8 zeros in the apply settings, hit apply, wait for the success message, and you're all done.